Bomberman.
Today we have technological explosion. I want to introduce it just right now. So Jim, show me this. Jim, where are you? Wow,
What are you doing?
where were you?
In the park?
Oh my god. But Jim, I need you here. I need some assistance and bring me the TV.
Okay.
Jim. Oh, okay, nice. So today we had a TV that we're gonna explode it, and this TV offer was suggested by my subscriber from far away from Germany. Her name is Julia. And Jim, get out. I want to introduce Julia. And there is Julia from Germany. That was the idea from her to explode the TV.
Hello, Meg. It's me, Julia, and my son Aaron.
Hi,
We just found your channel, and we would like that you maybe could explode the old TV. How do you think? Good luck.
So we are not wasting the time, and let's go to prepare for explosion. So we have to mine this TV, put the bomb in, and go for explosion. So let's go. Okay, now we have to find the place, the best place to put the bomb in, and I think it will be in the right position to explode it in a very strange and perfect way. Wow, nice. Wow, I have never seen such kind of TV before. So we can take a look how it looks like from the inside. There is a big screen. Wow, many wires, big steam inside, compensations and everything. Okay, it's interesting, it's good to see, good to know, so we can take a look, guys, and so now you see how it looks like from the inside. Now it's totally ready to be smashed and destroyed. So let's take this TV and let's go to my explosion camera, as Jim calls microwave, and let's blow it up. That was the idea from her to explode the TV. And here we're back after explosion. As you see, how many parts left? Millions of parts left. Wow, take a look on this TV. TV is kind of great one, but this black hole shows that explosion was inside. Oh my god, take a look what kind of hole we have. This glass is totally damaged and just only big hole left. Micro theme is kind of good one. I think it will still work. It will be still working, right? Wow, and what a mess around. So many plastic parts outside everywhere. These two ears are still standing here. One here, another one up here. Of course, up down part is totally damaged, breaking. Got some buttons left. It's okay. Wow, perfect. So, as you see, we are exploding everything in slow motion movie. So, if you want to destroy your idea, your thing that you want to blow off everything, so just follow my channel, Meet Bomberman, and just subscribe it and suggest me your idea. You can just write down to my email address or drop me a comment to this video, and your idea will be exploded and shown on my channel. So waiting for your ideas and see you in the next movie.
We don't have a TV anymore. Man, why not? Oh, yeah.
Meet Bomberman.